Okay, so for the installation, you will have this zip file downloaded from our group. You can put it in the folder where you want to have it installed. So we're going to extract, and inside of this folder you will find the example file. This is the template file, similar to one that we had, but it's a new one, so we have to change it. And you will find the beta 2 grasshopper file, and here will be the installation file. So first what we do is we run the template file, open it, Rhino 8, wait until this loads. So we're going to start Grasshopper. Right, and we're going to, into this canvas, we're going to go and find the installation files. And these two installation files, we're going to take them and drag and drop into the canvas here. Alright, so now when that's done, we're going to go here, open document, and we're going to look for our folder, look for Fabricator Beta 2, open it. And if anything pops out, just OK, whatever they ask you. You can minimize the grasshopper, have a fabricator, and then you can just start designing. So just start doing something. And first time you load it, it might take some time, but if someone already used the server, it will be quite fast. So yeah, verify it's working, and there you go. You can start using it.